Hello friend. In today's podcast, we will discuss about some of the US companies in which we can invest and earn good money. And these companies are mainly manufacturers of chipsets and some technological gadgets and technical gadgets like mobiles, laptops and many chipsets. So these companies gives good returns over the time period. So these companies are Nvidia Corporation, and I invest in these companies some time before, and I get approx 20% return in Nvidia Corporation. And second company is Apple Incorporation, and I in this company I invest some time before and get good return about 0.69%. And third company is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, and in this company I have invested some time before and lose about 4.53%. And another company is Intel Corporation, and this is also a good company in which we get a return of about 7.99%. And another company is Qualcomm Incorporated, and in this company we also get good return of 4.66% in very short time period. And another ETF is Semiconductor Bull Basket 3x by Direction, and in this ETF we get a return of 35.29%. Another company is Advanced Micro Devices Incorporation, and in this company we get a return of 9.43%. Another company is Boeing Company. This company mainly make passenger aircrafts, and this company gives a good return of 11.75%. Another company is Novax Incorporation, and this gives a return of 5.22%. Another ETF is US Top 100 Basket Invesco Triple Q, and this gives a good return of 7.09%. Another ETF is Japan MSCI ETF ISHARES, and it gives a good return of 1.28%. Another company is Broadcom Incorporation, and it gives a good return of 15.55%. Another company is ON Semiconductor Corporation, and it gives a good return of 18.57%. Another company is Domino's Pizza Incorporation, and this gives a good return of 29.26%. And similarly, there are other many companies which gives good return. And so main focus of our investing is the investment in the technological companies and companies which makes chipsets or chips for the use in technical gadgets. So friends, in this way we can invest in these companies and get good returns. See you soon in next podcast. This podcast is mainly to introduce with the names of some companies which manufactures technical gadgets and chipsets which are used in everything. Thank you.